If your Telegram call ends immediately or suddenly shows call ended on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, we try out some general troubleshooting like make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Now try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now close Telegram completely from the app switcher. If this does not work, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Toggle iOS call integration. So open Telegram and go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Tap on Calls. Toggle iOS call integration off, then back on. Solution 2. Disable call ending by lock button. Let's fix it. Go to your iPhone settings, then go to accessibility, scroll down and tap touch. Again, scroll down and ensure prevent lock to end call is toggled on. Solution 3. Update Telegram app. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and install any available updates. Outdated versions often cause call cancellation issues. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Again, go to your iPhone settings, then tap General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. Now restart your iPhone to clear temporary system and network glitches. After restarting, test Telegram calls again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.